Do you actually know how much money you need to retire? Most people guess, but by the end of this video, you will know exactly how much you need to retire with your current lifestyle. So here's the formula. Take your current annual lifestyle costs, subtract that by government pension or retirement income that you might expect, and multiply that by 25. Let's say your lifestyle costs $60,000 a year, and you anticipate the government pension will be $20,000. That leaves you with $40,000 gap, and you multiply that by 25. That gives you $1 million target. If you'd rather see this visually, let me show you this. $60,000 lifestyle costs minus what you anticipate to receive in your pension, $20,000. That gives you $40,000 gap that you need to fund from your retirement income. Multiply that by 25 equals $1 million, your retirement goal. Pretty simple, right? Now it's your turn to work out yours. If your lifestyle costs less, then your number could be lower. If you want to retire early, then your number could be higher. If you find this video helpful, you might like to check out this one as well.